friends, welcome to Fabulous Chef. Today let's see how to make a very delicious iceberg lettuce salad. Let's see the ingredients. I have 1 large lettuce, 2 large onions chopped, 2 large tomatoes cut into cubes, and I also have an Italian dressing. So first clean the lettuce and wash it well. Chop it into large pieces like this. Now let's add the chopped onions and the chopped tomatoes. Now let's add the Italian dressing. Today I have taken the Italian dressing. You can use any dressing of your choice. So add about 2 tablespoons of dressing and a pinch of salt if necessary, and mix all the ingredients together. So here I am adding about quarter teaspoon of salt and mix all the ingredients together. Always remember to shake the dressing well before using it. So that's it friends, our delicious and crispy iceberg lettuce salad is ready. Serve it immediately. Do try this recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.